Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin displayed a solid bottom formation today, with a clear bullish divergence flashing on the 1-hour chart. For those who capitalized on this setup, the resulting trade would have delivered a gain of approximately 1% in spot trading. The 15-minute chart provided a well-timed exit signal, further confirming the importance of analyzing multiple timeframes to optimize entries and exits. This highlights how short-term signals can be effectively used in conjunction with broader trends for profitable trades. Today's overall price action has been relatively muted, which aligns with typical weekend behavior, where trading volumes tend to be lower. Weekends often serve as a cooling-off period before the market heats up again on Monday, particularly as institutional players re-enter. With Monday on the horizon, I'm looking forward to potential buying activity from ETF investors, which could inject fresh momentum into the market. Examining the heat map data reveals some critical liquidity zones that could dictate Bitcoin's short-term price movements. The long liquidation pockets from yesterday have grown even larger, especially around 96,500 and 95,500. These zones represent potential targets for flash crashes, as liquidity often acts as a magnet for market movements. A dip into these levels is plausible, but the chances of revisiting 93,500 are minimal. That level served as a strong local bottom in November, and the rapid recovery from it within a single day suggests robust buyer interest in that range. For now, the market seems intent on maintaining its position above these lower zones. While today's activity may feel subdued, it's essential to recognize that this consolidation could serve as a launching pad for higher moves as December begins. With the heat map showing limited resistance above 98,900 and 100,000, a breakout above these levels could pave the way for a swift move toward 102,000. The absence of significant liquidity above 100,000 suggests the potential for an accelerated rally once that psychological barrier is cleared. As for my trading strategy, I'm waiting for a clearer setup before re-entering the market. That's the analysis for today. If you found this content valuable, make sure to join my trading Discord for real-time updates. Don't forget to like this video, it helps the channel a lot. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to stay updated with my latest Bitcoin market insights. And see you in the next one.